Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play daily challenge on Beach Buggy Racing. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing game. Tap on the play button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see the daily challenge option on the right side of your display. Tap on it. Finally, tap on the play button to play daily challenge on Beach Buggy Racing. And this is how you can play daily challenge on Beach Buggy Racing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.